A1 Granite and Marble has 15,000 square feet in-house facility in Calgary, 12,000 square feet in Edmonton. Our quality and service is one of the best in Alberta. Granite we import from India, Brazil, and Italy. We do carry Zodiac, Handstone, Caesar Stone, so we do carry all the other engineered products as well.
So A1 Granite has a very neat and clean process of production, right from measuring till install. Starting with the measuring, we do have latest technology equipment to do the measurement of the granite countertops. Our templator goes to the site and does perform a photo shoot, and then that photo data is processed in the computer itself on site first of all, and then he checks right there if all the measurements are correct by double checking with his tape measure. And while he's on site, he discusses everything with the customer, and then all that data is brought to the shop, and we transfer that data into the server, and then we start our CAD program from there. Once all the CAD is ready, we make a CAD layout into a PDF format and send it to the customer for the approval. That drawing shows all the walls, all the profiles, all the stove appliances, and it's all color coded, and it's symbolized, so the client it's a user-friendly drawing. The client can understand properly. If there's a custom job, like for example, we have exotic colors and they have all the vein patterns, they have a flow going on in the granite, and if that thing comes up and then the customer wants like a perfect match with their seams, and they want a pattern going towards left to right or front to back, and there comes our special program, which I would like to say that nobody's doing in Calgary so far I know. That is perfect match. And what we do is we take pictures of the slabs on our 3D studio station, and from there we lay all the pieces on the software, and then try to give a perfect book match, so that all the veins and each and every dot matches perfectly, and we show that to the customer before even the job is installed. It's a really good feature because the customer knows that what he's gonna get. Once that part is done, we send a JPEG format, so he knows like, okay, on the left hand side of the JPEG it's like how it's gonna be laid on the slab itself. On the right hand side it's like a 3D view, and then he can see exactly where the seam is. Once the program is locked, and then that file is again sent to AutoCAD department. They make cut files for waterjet, for CNC. The saw cuts right exact to the millimeter, and then we have another line polisher to deal with all the straight pieces, straight edges.
Once our installers reach to the site, they will go to the site, and once the door is open, first thing what they do, they will cover up all the floors, so make sure they won't make a mess, they won't leave dirty stuff and walk onto somebody's floors with the shoes on. And once they're done installation, they will leave the site as it was before the installation process. And at the end, we do have a installation sign-off sheet. One of our installer will guide the client, and they will walk around and they will check and they will inspect the quality of countertop, and client will sign off on that. So that way both parties mutually knows what's been delivered, what was there, and how, and overall what is the success rate with the client. Future growth for A1 Granite and Marble, we are planning to build a building which will be 50,000 square feet, where we want to have in-house production again. We want to increase our machinery and achieve more goals.